What's inside? Let's see what's there. Maybe toys or maybe socks. Let's spell it now, B-O-X. B, bounce it here. O, open wide. X, X, X marks the spot. What's inside? Come look and see. We love the word B-O-X. Nama. Boxes are for all kinds of things. Trains and cars and even kings. I can stack them, I can play. Let's spell it out, hooray today. B, box it up. O, open wide. X, X, marks the fun. I see what's inside now. Let's all say we can spell B-O-X. B-O-X. What's in the box? Let's see the next.